This is Alpha 19's new Dopp kit, the AMBIT. The AMBIT is made out of VX21, 210 denier ripstop nylon in the inside, YKK number 8 reverse coil zippers, and mesh. This AMBIT is approximately about 11 inches wide, 5 inches high, and about 3.5 inches deep when it's fully loaded. It has a total of 5 compartments or pockets. And how much can it hold? Well, let's put it this way. I carry enough inside my AMBIT Dopp kit for a part to carry. If you don't know what that means, here's a layman's term: the full medicine cabinet. All right, so let's have a look at what the AMBIT holds. The main zippers gives you access to the main compartment, and right from the get-go you can see that there are 3 zippered pockets, 2 with mesh, and the third one below back there in 210 denier ripstop nylon. The AMBIT was designed for you to use it as a hanging Dopp kit, and the hook is hidden behind here. All right. So let's have a look at what the AMBIT can hold. I'm just going to put everything out. This is my medicine cabinet, so to speak, that I carry around, so you can see how much it holds. And I use the mesh zippered pockets for example, the top one I use it basically mostly for my grooming kit and my toothbrush. Everything's there. Then the other mesh pocket. And finally, the third pocket inside, which is a zippered one in the 210 diamond ripstop lining, right? Now, keep in mind, I use this personally as a wet pocket, so I keep my shaving kit inside there. But keep in mind, guys and girls, wet pocket, the word wet. If it's going to hold moisture, you gotta let it dry every now and then. You don't want it to be sitting with any water inside. Can move everything aside. There should be something else inside here. All right, so that's basically this is how much you can hold inside the AMBIT. But there's one more pocket left, and that's the one in the rear. This external zippered pocket runs the length. It's big enough for you to hold something as big as a personal groomer. So that, guys and girls, is the new Alpha 19 AMBIT Dopp kit, and you can see it can clearly hold quite a bit. Thank you.